Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, it's going to be a Canva PC hack, how to use keyboard shortcuts like a pro. So guys, you want to design faster in Canva. Let's go over powerful PC shortcuts. Your first step would be to head over to canva.com. Make sure you're logged in. If you're not logged in and you do not have an account, simply use the sign up option that is available to you and simply sign up for Canva. Now, once you've signed up, just go ahead and simply log in. All right, so once you're logged in, how can you implement or how can you use powerful PC shortcuts on your designs? You could go ahead and click on Create at the top left corner of your screen. Click on Create here and simply select any of the popular templates you can make use of. I'm going to be going with the worksheet template, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on this. It's going to open up like this on my screen, and with the blank canvas opened, all you need to do is apply these little shortcuts like using T to add text instantly. You can add a simple text instantly using the T. You can use R to simply add rectangles. You could have rectangles added to your screen. As you can see here, a rectangle. You could use Control D to duplicate elements. So if you have elements on your screen, you could simply duplicate them. It works for pages as well. You can duplicate pages as well. You can also use Control Z to undo mistakes. So let's say this was a mistake, you can use Control Z to undo, and then you can use Control plus Shift and Z again to redo that mistake. So it's Control Z to undo, Control Shift and Z to redo the mistake. And then you can use the Shift plus arrow keys for precise movement. So Shift and then use your arrow keys for precise movements when you're moving through elements on your screen. Alright guys, so a quick tip would be to memorize 2 to 3 shortcuts at a time. You'll speed up designing massively. So guys, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you like content like this. Thank you.